How to fix black screen problem on Roblox. So basically there are two solutions for this problem. The first one is like 50-50 chances it will work or it might work. The second solution is something it's a bit difficult, but I'm going to tell you anyway. So for the first solution is the boring solution, which I think you might have tried or you may not have tried, but let me show you. It is that you need to go to the Roblox, right? Roblox, and if you don't know how you can reach this screen, so basically you need to go to settings, and after that go to apps, and from the apps you need to choose Roblox, right? So let me choose Roblox with the first. Roblox, yeah, there we go. So now we are redirected in this screen. So from here what we have to do is go to storage and cache, and from here clear cache and storage. Just do it. All right, just do this, and then just restart your device. So this process is not that effective, but if you are lucky then this will work for you. This might solve the problem, but most of you guys will not get any result by doing this solution. So the second solution is a bit annoying, and this is very disappointing. But if this doesn't work, if Roblox is still showing you black screen after multiple attempts, that means you need to change your device to something else. So try to use your friends or maybe your another device, another phone, and try to do the same. And if it works there, then your old device is not suitable for Roblox anymore, because the things get old and Roblox is updating its game always. And so with new updates your device may be outdated. So this is the only solution. You need to change your device. So I know this is very disappointing, but try to do the first step. If the first step works, then you are lucky guy. But more, I don't think so it will work, but so this is pretty much it. Don't get scammed by someone who is fooling you, because this problem is something not getting fixed. In There is no way you can fix this problem easily. So hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.